I'm going to review the magnetic power bank. I got this from Aliexpress. It's a pretty neat power bank. It's 1000 mAh power bank. It's for people who do a lot of vlogging, who are on the go, who travel a lot, who do a lot of recordings, images with their phone and just want that extra juice. Sometimes you run out of it. So this is pretty handy, it is pretty portable, it is pretty neat, and I'll come to its features soon after I unbox it. So here I am unboxing the magnetic power bank. As you can see, it comes in a pretty neat box, not much of a fancy packing, as I am trying to open it now. Yeah, so you can see this, there is a neat power bank in it, which is neatly packed with a plastic covering. So this is the power bank. This would be the braided USB cable. I'll come to it later. This is a very fantastic addition you get along with the power bank. A small keyring which you can attach to your keychain, and I think so that's about it. So this is the detachable magnetic clip which goes into your phone. That's the power attachment cable. So let us now try to see if it charges. It comes out of the box pretty much charged. I'm just putting it into my iPhone. See, it charges and shows the charge. It's charging. Now I try to turn it out and try to do it with the magnetic base. The charging base, it doesn't do it, so it can only charge from one port. I'll try to reverse it. It charges. So anyways, even if you charge it from the port up or down, it is going to charge, and it's pretty handy. You can play games on the go. This cable is pretty neat. You can see it is braided, so it is not going to break unlike other lightning cables, and you can use it for travel. So this is pretty neat. It's a fantastic cable. You can just use it for charging your phone with the magnetic attachment. So friends, this is a pretty neat power bank. As you can see, it has got a small clip. You can attach it to your keychain. You can do it on the go. It's pretty rotatable. As I've told you, it charges both ways. Even if you can put it like this, with this side up, or if you can put with this side up, as long as the right side goes inside, it's going to charge. The opposite side is not going to charge because they're opposite magnets, so they just move here and there. And there is a neat little button. I'll just show you here. Okay, so this is a neat little button here. If you can see, I just press it, you can get the remaining charge, and it's pretty fast charging. I've tried to charge it out. It's pretty fast charging, and the beauty of this is a braided cable. As I told you, it is not going to break, so you can just carry it out without any fuss. So all in all, I recommend it. I put the link down, and if you do like the review, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll come back with more because I do shop regularly on Aliexpress. I am a travel freak, so I do shop a lot on Aliexpress to add to my gear, and I'll come back with more reviews if I find something good.